Is your Tesco Clubcard app constantly logging you out? It's a common frustration, but the good news is there are simple fixes. Frequent logouts are often due to expired session data, corrupted cache, or issues with your account link. This video will guide you through the two most effective solutions: relinking your account and clearing the app's cache. These steps will refresh your login credentials and resolve most logout issues quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, let's try clearing the app's cache. On your phone, go to Settings, then Apps, and find the Tesco Clubcard app. Tap on Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing problems. If that doesn't work, you'll need to relink your account. Open the Tesco Clubcard app, go to your profile, then Account Settings. Look for an option to Unlink Account or similar wording and tap it. Once unlinked, log in again with your Tesco account details. This forces a fresh authentication and often resolves persistent logout problems. Also, make sure your app is updated to the latest version in the App Store, as older versions may have bugs that cause frequent logouts.